What's happening? Cars and Coffee, aka Backyard RC full throttle back with another video. We got the 5th scale monster truggy, Redcat Racing Shredder. Give you a quick scale comparison. That's a full size blower. See, it's basically the same length as that blower. Same wheelbase as an X Max 8S or 8S Armor Crate. X Max and Creighton just got a lot bigger tires and ground clearance. Right. So still got the plastic on the shell. We ain't running with the shell today. Bulletproofed a little bit. Still got some more work to do with it. We on 4S though. A little heat sink in here. Batteries and the wires cool. Prototype homemade basher bar tower, this shock tower. 550 cubic inch big block V8 motor. Got the supercharger, Whipple supercharger, Edelbrock, 200 shot of nitrous, you know, the usual street outlaw build. I'm just messing with you. All right, on Forest Lapo, like I said, 5200 milliamp series connection to 2S. Right back.